Today's recipe is a refreshing summer drink. This is Masala Chaas or spiced buttermilk. Let's make this together. In a grinder jar, add a quarter cup of mint leaves, a quarter cup of coriander leaves, half an inch of ginger, or you can add less if you like. I'm adding a teeny tiny green chili because this batch of green chilies turned out so hot. A squeeze of fresh lime juice, and next we'll add a quarter teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of black salt, a quarter teaspoon of normal table salt, and a quarter cup of plain unsweetened yogurt. We are going to try to grind this as smooth as possible. The smoother you grind it, the little tiny leaves are not going to stick on your tongue. If you can't grind it too smooth, you can totally strain the buttermilk after it's done. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider pressing the subscribe button for exciting recipes every week. That looks good, and now we're going to add in 1 cup of water to this. If you add chilled water, it's going to be even better. You can also add in ice pieces if you like. And that's it. Blend that quickly and your buttermilk is ready. This is so refreshing during summer and this is so delicious. Just top it with a little bit of roasted cumin powder and enjoy. You can find me on any of these different social media sites. If you prefer written recipes, I have a blog and all the links are in the description. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do. I post exciting recipes every week, and make sure to press the notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.